I don't know what happened, but going into this, I really thought that this board would turn out like... Alright, so this board here is the Rama Zenith. To be blunt, Rama boards, they tend to look nice, but they sound pretty bad. The included aluminum plate is pretty thick and very stiff. It's quite terrible. So I ordered 2 custom-made FR4 plates. This is a half plate, so the middle is cut out, as well as a full FR4 plate that is currently what the board is built with. And if you're interested in picking up a FR4 plate for yourself, it will be linked in the description down below. Alright, let's get into the typing test. Alright, let me know in the comment section below which of the 3 builds you think sounded the best, or if the FR4 plates are even worth it. And if you found this video helpful at all, make sure to tap that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I think I'm gonna end this video in the middle of